G'day everyone, John here. So I'm just doing a quick video on something I made for the Laguna 2436 lathe. It's an area that was all, it was vacant, and I was continually getting tools from moving from this side of the lathe over to the rear here. And there's not much space between the lathe and the bandsaw, so forever fitting through there and leaning over, getting the tools off the rack. Now those tools there are used less often, but now are on this little shelf anchored to the end of this lathe, spare space. And it's just great because you can just reach over, lean, get the proper go-to tools. What I keep on here is the 150 Vicmark chuck, drill fittings for sanding. The tools to unlock the truck. Some of the go-to tools, brilliant, easy to do. 2 3/4 inch pieces of plywood glued together, and underneath just got some 45-degree shelf holders, and it's bolted to the end of the lathe. Screw holes are already there, ready to go. Great, it's a go-to tool. Should do it. Cheers.